Capybara. Capybara. Are you talking
I mean,
about
where did
me?
they say this guy was?
Wait, did you join already?
Gideon. Yeah,
Oh, I don't see you.
let me try it again.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Now you got the thing. Capybara. Capybara.
Planted and pruned all morning. What
Why,
does he mean by planted?
why are you off the ground, Cappy?
What do you mean?
You're floating. Oh, oh man. There we go.
Wait, but then you can't see all my detectives. There you go.
There we go.
Hey, but the duck is hiding.
There.
There we go.
Perfect. Can you guess what I'm doing today, Cappy?
Guilty Gear.
No, I'm gonna be code.
Oh,
Cappy, I've been hard at work with my coding project if you haven't noticed.
you played Guilty Gear yesterday.
I was also coding yesterday too, Cappy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised you didn't hit me with the likely story. That's how you sound, Cappy.
It's not true.
The likely story.
Trying to figure out who killed someone. Somebody here is a murderer.
I gotta figure out how to deal with all the status and the status effects. Huh.
Had a glass of sherry with James and became drowsy as he was falling asleep. Saw the Lemurian observing him through the glass door. Okay, so that. Meanwhile, in the
Status factor in this activation.
meanwhile in the
Potency card.
there's not like watched though.
Oh, okay. I get out this one. Oh. Cappy, do I ever just sound really out of it when I hop into VC or stream?
Yes.
Do I sound out of it right now?
Yes.
Oh, damn. I guess that is the nature of being Doi, you know?
Yes. I don't know. I do not know. Should I get a hint? I don't want to. I'm better than this. But I also don't know what to do. I don't know what happened meanwhile. That's what I'm confused. What happened meanwhile? What do you mean? Meanwhile, while they were drinking, what else happened in the morning? What else happened in the morning?
Hmm.
Planted and pruned all morning. That involves being drugged.
Hmm. Oh, I need a type dictionary for this. Gabby, do you like type dictionaries?
Do you know who has been drugged and who did the drugging?
Uh, what characters are there? I will spirit eye this.
There's Leopold. There's Gideon. There's Aragon. There's James. There's Alistair. There's Billiam. And there's Podrick.
I'm gonna call it Alistair because I recognize that game from that, or not that name from that or not badly animated, but like badly received thing that keeps popping up
I
on
know
my
what you're
Twitter.
talking about.
I know about it against my will, Cappy.
I know about it because my best friend watches it.
I know. Is it also against your will though?
I watched the pilot episode with them, and that's the only time I watched it.
Oh, okay. Camemora, Camemora, Camemora. Okay.
Practice chess in the chess house, but what does that have to do with poisoning?
Okay. I have to find out how to make take right here, guys.
Wait a second. They went to drink in the tea house.
Okay. So first in the status library, I need to make a dictionary. Where status types equals dictionary.
What's his name? Gideon Bell. Oh man, we got it.
Wait, type dictionary?
Oh, we did it.
Huh?
I just had to read.
Are you
I
just
just
illiterate,
had to
Gabby?
read.
Gabby, are you just straight illiterate?
It's not reading, it's reading comprehension, I'll have you know.
So even worse, you just don't pay attention.
Brotherhood member Alistair and James plotted to turn the ruling moderate and loyalist parties against each other. Over the course of the weekend at James Manor, Alistair murdered the moderate leader and James framed the loyalist leader.
How to
You have proven that I can trust you. Here is the Brotherhood's artifact which I removed from the traitor Keen. It's set to take heat from this cup of water. I set it to take heat. And I change the symbols and make the idol give that heat to something else.
Okay.
There is so much more the idol can do. Interesting. So they are working with... Oh, we're on the last one. Let's go.
Okay, so this is how we make a dictionary.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We finished that. It's crazy.
So this is how we make the
right?
dictionary here. Can I save function calls inside of a dictionary?
How awkward. We finished early.
Oh.
Okay, hang on.
Can I use switch statements?
I don't know.
There we go. Have you ever coded before, Kathy?
No.
Oh, okay.
I swear every single time.
Okay. Funk.
Bum, ba-da-bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum.
Oh, status. And then it needs a status spec item, right? Call status. And then it needs a status effect item, right?
Alright, we're switching games real quick
What game are you swapping to?
to the sticker game.
Oh, make
Just for a little bit.
have fun, Cappy.
Stickers!
Here we go. Match status effect dot status. Can I just call it effect? Yeah, I can go to effect.
There you go. I don't know where I should put the spider. There.
And then, what is it?
Alright, let me change my games real quick.
Poison.
Sticky. Oops, shoot. Sticky. Business. Done.
Poison sleep. Okay, so I can just kind of expand this, like the more code I have, right? And, you know, having a giant match statement isn't ideal, so I'm gonna, like, hard code each one of the status effects, you know? Wait, can I do this?
Can you?
Let me see.
Alright. You know, I forgot about my stickers. We have one spot open for stickers, so we can make a new one. How much money do I have? Let's purchase. I like these little kitties. Oh yeah, that's right. We got the capybara. Turtle, sloth. Turtle is cute.
Oh no, a giant elephant.
We can make a fern theme one.
Wait, have you sent me your stickers before?
Yeah.
I forgot, Cappy. I'm sorry. I don't think I can do
Crazy.
that. Okay, so this is probably the way I'll have to do things. Do match statements Cappy, do you know from the top of your head if match statements have a else?
I don't know. Should we do me, us? Okay, let's make a fern sticker. Okay. Create. You don't have... I do have...
What's going on?
Okay, let's get rid of one then. Let's get rid of original watch out. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I probably should have did the orders first before I got rid of it.
I could just do something like that, and then I could make a poison function.
It is fine. Nobody's gonna order that. Yeah. Yeah, nobody ordered that. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Oh, I forgot about the rat.
And then I would do something like poison dot oat effect dot turns equals effect dot turns -1.
It looks like verses.
And then if effect dot turns less than or equal to 0, then we
Where
What?
should this us go?
Hmm. Then from status
I changed the color because I can't freaking see it.
engine.
I should have got a heart.
Status engine dot status effects
This can't get very big. That's unfortunate.
dot erase effect. There we go.
There is this heart.
There we go.
Okay, hang on.
What's happening, Cappy? Also, hey, Misa, welcome to stream. Yeah, we're just programming the status effects system for my game right now. Well, Cappy makes stickers. Cappy, were you around when
I think
they
I need the you, me, us. Huh?
were you around when they had like the like Call of Duty, I think, like sticker system?
No, I don't
Oh,
know.
wait, give me a second.
Meow. Oh man, the art is arting right now. Meow. Oh, wait a second. Vegan.
So basically, a long time ago, right? People, I believe, could customize their call signs in Call of Duty with like, a bunch of stickers that they could overlay on top of each other. So a lot of people ended up like overlaying like 50 of them to make like custom call signs. I don't know. I heard that from the grapevine, Cappy. Don't correct me if I'm wrong.
I will correct you. You should feel bad for being wrong.
Damn, I die.
I think I need the others.
There we go. So we pass that off to Void. And then
Alright.
For poison is pretty simple, right?
You
Um
make it a little bit smaller. Shh.
poison is ingested venom.
B.
Oh.
Let's put this up a little bit. You, me, us. Isn't that a beautiful meaning behind it?
Gabby, have you thought
Super
about how like
border.
anytime a video game says like you're like poisoned, it's actually venom because it's injected inside of you versus like ingested?
What if you constantly keep stepping on something that's poisonous?
Then it's venomous.
Like a poison ivy.
Wait, let me search that. Poison ivy is a poisonous plant. Huh.
Yeah. You step in the poison ivy.
Wait.
I don't know if I like the border. If it was like a little bit less, it's just a bit. It's too bright for me, honestly. What does this do? All right, I think this is cute. You, me, us.
Why is poison ivy poisonous and not? That's so weird. Cause
You plus me equals you, me.
according to Very Well Health, the difference between a venomous and poisonous has to do with how toxin is delivered. The term venomous is usually reserved for animals because they eject toxin into the body. Poisonous means that an animal is toxic if you eat it. But poison ivy works even if you don't eat it, though.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Have you ever gotten poison ivy?
I mean, the difference between the two is like how you like you absorb it, right? So yeah.
So you have had poison ivy before.
I live in front of a forest, Cappy.
That doesn't mean anything. So do I. I don't go outside though.
You're a VTuber, of course you don't go outside. There you go.
Print.
We got music now
All
from we have music now.
Let
How are you doing
me
today? How are you doing today?
save this one. This one is for Fern. Let me send it to her.
I'm trying to figure out why poison ivy is considered poisonous and not venomous right now.
Because venomous ivy sounds stupid. They were thinking of the branding all along. Alright, let's see what we can do. Paper. Long.
Apparently,
Memory.
according to the very reputable redditors, right? Poison ivy is neither contact dermatitis derived from immune response. And other redditors say it is, yeah. Okay, so redditors say that poison ivy is neither poisonous or venomous.
It's just ivy.
Yeah. Also, venomous ivy does sound cool.
No, it doesn't. How dare you? It's too many words. Too many syllables.
Poison ivy also isn't poisonous, it's just humans, and humans alone are frequently allergic to their waterproofing. Huh. Okay.
I mean, you could say that an allergy is poisonous, though.
I think.
For instance, if I eat a peanut, that's poison to my body in particular.
But it's not really. Is it poison if that's an immune response though? But then again, if let's say I inject a poison or not poison, but if I inject a potato, if I inject a, what are you allergic to again?
Peanut?
Peanut? Yeah, sorry, I literally forgot that, like, the sentence when I was speaking it. If I injected a peanut inside of you, right, you would probably, that would probably be venom too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man,
I mean, you don't need
nomenclature
to
is weird,
inject it.
guys.
If I'm consuming it.
Yeah. Cappy, nomenclature is weird. We should stop it.
Hey, Cappy, I understand that you don't want me to spend money on your stickers, but I want to show my support as your friend. Your creativity deserves recognition, so consider it an investment in our friendship. Wow. If only somebody else agreed with that. Somebody else on my stream would agree to spend money on our friendship.
I need to have negatable and non-negatable, right?
Okay, let's do
Okay, I need to add that to the player stuff.
these. One quanchy, one wholesome, two hydrates. I don't really have that much candy left. I have a ladybug. Okay, well, I gotta give my friend the ladybug. That's so cute.
There we go.
Oh no, I only have one memories. Perfect shop to fill my crafting corner. Well, I'm anti-artist, so no crafting corner for you.
Nice. Okay, I need to add damage and damage
There's
indirect.
a butterfly. Here, you can have the other old person candy. Enjoy. Don't ever say I ain't never done nothing for you. Alright, I need to print another.
Where's
Don't
my
I have one
damage
with
one?
all of them on it? Don't.
Whoa, duck. Yeah, that. Wait, did you say the Cappy's thing were butterflies? Huh?
Butterflies?
Remot thought the ducks on your thing were butterflies.
They can be.
These two functions are redundant, but they'll come in useful later, you know.
Oh, I have just enough to send. That's beautiful. Oh, yeah.
This kind of makes it a bit more bloated, but pretty much the difference between the two, right, is that damage physical can be negated, right? If, let's say, you have like a summon style card, it will use negation rules, right? And if not, you know, yeah. I make a card game right now. Remot. We got like basic movement and like combat and stuff going, right? I'm just kind of setting things up.
Whoops.
Damage magical.
I forgot my dance group was having a meeting tonight.
Oh, yeah. Are you gonna go now?
It's too late now.
Oh.
They started at 9.
I'm so sorry, Gabby.
That was my fault. I forgot.
Okay, that's fair. But I'm the one who forgores Cappy.
It's true.
I am the one who forgores. I think me sleeping made it to the universal, like, someone has to forgore in this conversation and make Cappy forgore instead. No.
Yeah. I will look over the notes later.
Yeah, see? Currently we have, like, the card battle system done, right? But I'm adding more things for, like, positionals, right? As well as, like, special effect per card.
Oh my god. You know how I told you that everything seems bad? Well, it got even worse. My boss fired my best work buddy. I'll need a lot of plant stickers before I can muster up the courage to quit. Do you plan to make more plant stickers? Do I need to make plant stickers? Okay. I guess I can make a plant sticker. For you, Robert Frey. But you better order again or else.
Oh, okay.
Or else.
Well, I can set it up so that...
Alright. Do I have any plant things to give him? Oh, I got a little cactus notebook. Here you go. Look at that. Cactus.
There we go.
Cactus
I can indent all this right here, right? If effect dot card. Okay, we pretty much check to see if this is valid, right? Is instance valid? I'm currently setting up like how like the status effects in my game work, Remot, you know? So currently we're trying to check if instance of a card is valid, and then we match the statement, alright? And if it's not valid, we just delete the card. So we go to like the effects, right? Effect. Status effect dot status. Wait, what is? What is this one called again? I have so many names. Status.
Clay pot, yellow pot.
Status effect dot erase. And then we're gonna just call it erase self, right? There we go. Every instance of that, right? And then after that, we're gonna just say self dot free dot q free. There we go. So that way the status effect kills itself if the if that. Yeah, this is in Godot. This is in Godot right here. Yeah, I'm currently like most of the way done with a lot of this, right? It's just I have like I used to have like basic cards for like the other types, right? But I recently went through like a full revamp.
Oh, that little
What kind of game are
goblin.
you looking for, Remot? What kind of game are you looking to make?
Oh wait, I
Because
kind of want
I can
this.
get you started. I can get you started on whatever you need. Also, are you at your PC right now? I will swap this to a how to code with Remot tutorial. Ah, okay. Honestly,
Which one should we get
documentation.
rid of?
The documentation is already just really good.
Or should I hang on? Can I buy another
You know, if you need
slot?
anything, you can literally just search it up, alright? But also there's a lot of basic tutorials now, cause wait, I'm gonna mute myself real quick because I'm
Nice.
gonna go on a tangent story, okay, Cappy?
Okay.
Okay. So let me turn off the music. There you go. Cause basically, right, around like a year ago, right? Around a year ago, Unity was like, hey, we're gonna make it so that every download you gotta pay some money, right? And then, you know, they lost a bunch of money from that. But a lot of people hopped over to Godot, and then they kind of like made a new version, blah 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 blah. So it's like a lot easier to learn now, because after like the last year or so, guides have been like everywhere, you know. Um, they have demo projects, right? They have the Godot demo projects, right? So if you want to just look through code, right, and you already know how to code, you can check out their demo projects. And I'm planning on actually working on this one day, right? Because I do have a demo that's in the works, and I've been slowly transferring to best practices so that I can upload it here. They have the Godot walkthroughs. They have like official list of like good tutorials and resources you can look at. And then they had what is it? They had YouTube tutorials. YouTube. We're not gonna do that. Give me a second to find the YouTube tutorial I have. Okay, there we go. YouTube, Godot, drag and drop. And then they have like YouTube tutorials of like small mechanics and stuff. I followed this one by Diecode. I followed this one by Diecode, but it didn't fit my purposes, so I kind of didn't use it anymore. But I used it as a reference, and I followed up with documentation. Right. If you know other coding languages, it shouldn't be that hard. But overall, you know, you just kind of gotta go between those three. But if you really do need help, just DM me on Discord, or like literally tell me in chat while I'm streaming, right? And I will hop on call with you, right? I'll literally hop on call with you and teach you how to make like a basic game. You know, you just gotta have an idea in mind, right? You just gotta have an idea in mind, and I'll like help walk you through it, okay? um, because I'm already walking through like how to code with like 8, 9 other people, you know, so it's not a big deal, right? It's not a big deal.
So that we
Hello,
can see it.
hello,
Hi.
I'm back. I gave
Relax.
Remot some resources for coding. Okay.
Good.
Fair. What kind of project, Remot?
No.
What kind of project?
I think the blue looks the best.
Cappy, do you like switch statements?
Do you like holding a cactus in your hand?
Ah, makes sense. Never tried it personally. I can't knock it until I try it, you know?
That's good. You shouldn't.
I like to keep an open mind, Cappy.
That's good. I'm making a cactus holding hand sticker
Yeah.
that says relax. Because I think you should relax a little.
That's fair. Okay, for my card here, right? For like card kill, we're gonna use this one
I
right
wish you
here
could
to
add
check
borders to
if we
everything.
died.
I think this is good though. Just
Do I not have? Oh shoot! I really don't have.
relax.
Oh no, I have card regions. I was like, oh, do I not have those?
Printa. Show. Oh, it's like, can I not print? Create. All right. Relax.
Okay, here we go.
Relaxation.
Region combat. Okay, here we go. This is like the combat section right here. We're gonna call a function called check death. Func check death. Okay. If health is less than or equal to 0, then what we're essentially gonna do, right? What we're essentially gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna go through the array of all the status effects on the thing, all right? Status, I think we had an array
Here we go.
declared at the top now. I think we had an array of status, right? Status dot clear for statuses in status. Okay, there we go. And then we're pretty much just gonna clear out all these right here, you know? What is it called? Statuses dot queue free, right? Okay, and then after that we're gonna go status dot clear. There we go. That should take care of that right there. So first I get rid of the status effects, right, Cappy?
Sure.
What else do I do here? Let me look at the combat library real quick. Oh, and then we kill it. Okay. And then kill was a
Oh,
function in card engine. Hey, CG9 Yee Yee. How are you doing today?
Robert! Robert came through.
Robert? Who's Robert?
Yes, I made him plant stickers.
Oh, what's wrong, dude? What's wrong? You want to talk about it?
Just relax and know what? I'm gonna do it. I'll quit my job. Go ahead, Robert.
You want to talk about it, dude? Here we go. So we gotta
Just
find out
quit
where
your
our
job
kill
tomorrow.
function is.
I would love to quit my job tomorrow. Not gonna lie.
What's wrong with your job, Cappy? Do you want to talk about it?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Do we have any updates on the weird people?
No, but something weird did happen the other day.
Oh,
And now
fair.
I'm suspecting my coworkers.
That's never
They
fun.
basically, some random person came in, like impersonating a worker.
Yeah. That's
And then,
kind of scary.
like, yeah, my coworker, she was just like, "Hey, hi, could I help you?" Like, I don't know. I guess she thought she was from, like, I don't know, corporate or something. So
Yeah.
she was just like, "Yeah." And then the person was just like, "No, I don't work here." And they're like, "But you literally have like a name badge."
What the hell?
And then that person got aggressive with my coworker, like another coworker.
Huh.
Like right around the time she was getting off, so it seems kind of targeted.
Yeah. That's kind of
So
scary.
yeah, it is. It's not cool.
I agree.
But like that coworker has like a couple of enemies at our job. So that's why I suspect one of my coworkers.
How do you get enemies in?
But she's a bit mean.
Oh, makes sense.
But it doesn't mean you should threaten her.
True. I think threatening people IRL is not pog. Only if it's in a funny haha way.
Yeah, if everybody knows you're joking.
Yeah. The main thing is people know you're joking, you know? For legal disclaimer. Oh, you're playing Honkai Star Rail. I'm not sure how I
I
feel
need
about
some more
gacha, so I
crunches.
never got into it, you know? The combat doesn't look very, like, enticing for me, but if you're having fun, good on you. But, like, if you're not having fun, why play the game, you know? I never
True.
I never got I never got the thing where, like, Cappy, you know league players, right? You know
Mm-hmm.
league players, right? They're always like, "Oh, I hate this game. I'm going
But
crazy."
then they still play it.
Yeah, and then they play it like every day for the next 5 years daily, you know? And I'm like, okay, you know?
I can kind of understand it though. Like, you don't hate it. You just hate what it does to you.
That's fair. Grinding is hell. I think, Cappy, I've noticed that a lot of games, like these days, and even like, MMOs, right? They add like needless grind because they need to pad out like the playtime to justify their cost, Cappy?
Yeah.
Like, for some genres, I get it, right? Like if it's a clicker game, it's like, oh, of course they're gonna pad out some content here and there, right? But if it's like, if it's like an action game, I just want to get past it. That's fair. That's fair.
No, we can
I'm
buy
I'm
different
glad you're
crinkle
enjoying the game
paper.
overall, dude. I'm glad you're enjoying the game overall.
Confetti peanut filling. Should we get that?
We're gonna get rid of function kill right here and replace it with check death. Right.
Oh, I can get ghosty goose. I do love the ghosty goose.
What the
Fruity
hell is a
paper.
ghosty goo?
You don't know what a ghosty goo is?
I don't know what a ghosty goo is.
That's quite unfortunate. I'm gonna buy a bunch of candy corn.
Here we go. Okay. So Cappy,
Wouldn't
have
that be
have you
weird?
seen those
You
ads
buy.
of that one Honkai Star Rail girl singing or whatever?
No, I
Okay,
don't get honkai ads.
good. So basically, every one of her ads, she sings the same song, right? And I was sitting on VC with one of my friends who plays Honkai Star Rail, right? And apparently, every single time she goes on the field, right, she sings that song
That would be annoying, I think.
every single time. I think her name's Robin or whatever. Is it Robin? I think it's Robin. Yeah, like that, like how she sings the
All right,
same
we spent
song
a good amount of
every
money.
single time. I sat on the VC, right, and I heard like the intro to the song like 8 times within like 10 minutes. It was that bad. Yeah, but like
That's
like like
crazy.
like how she sings her song every single time. It's really annoying.
I mean, how else are you gonna get people to listen to your music if you don't sing it?
That's true. You can mute it. Okay, that's good. Wait, I gotta DM them and tell them that you can mute it.
Why would
uh,
you silence her?
I can't believe this. Let me DM them real quick.
Why would you silence her?
Cappy, I need to tell my friend something important, right? I'm like, yo, you can mute this character in this game because you hate the song, all right? But the problem is I don't remember my friend's name. Cappy, I have
You don't
amnesia.
find my name either, most of the time.
Yeah, I go into the cute animals chat and then I scroll up to the top of the people's list. you know? Okay, so this should get rid of all references.
I do play one gotcha game, but I will not say which one. But my luck in that
Uh,
game is crazy. Oh my god, I have such good luck, and I don't know why.
sure you do, Cappy. It's just the people trying to
I
keep you in the
do. I
game.
haven't spent. The only money I've spent is money that Google has given me for free.
That's fair, but they don't know that. They thought you're a whale, Cappy, because Google's giving you a billion jillion dollars for free.
No, but I do just have gems like laying around because I can't use them because they have just under the amount that you can use them.
You know that's intentional,
That's
right?
how they
Most of the
get.
time.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
They want me to buy more, but I'm not going to.
Yeah.
There's no reason to. I've been getting everything I want.
That's fair. Skill issue on their part, to be honest, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got the check death status now. So every time the car gets damaged, it's gonna check for
Oh my
death.
god. 8? That's crazy. Inspector P. I've been on the heels of this sticker vandal for weeks. They put stickers on almost every building around the city. I'm trying to find out which shop they came from. I have to order evidence.
You have to order
I hope
evidence?
it's me. I hope it's me. I hope I'm the one who they bought the stickers from. I
Oh,
have put a sticker on a lamppost before.
have you? Why?
Yeah, because my coworker bought me a bunch of birds aren't real stickers.
Yeah.
Um, so when I went to New York, I just put them on the lamppost.
New York scares me, Cappy.
I love New York.
That's fair. I think it's because walking through Times Square as a child was very traumatic because of what I saw.
It is a lot.
The people in New York kind of freak me out, Cappy.
I live in a place that's equally kind of weird, so I don't know.
Oh, CG9 is on the other side. That's fair, Cappy. What kind of weird places do you come from? It can't be any weirder than you are, right?
I don't know.
That's fair.
When I was younger, there's a great video. I can't show it because it is a news place, but
Yeah,
they
makes sense.
it was like a hurricane
Yeah,
and the people were outside reporting on the hurricane. They're like, "Yeah, you guys need to stay inside." Da 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 da. Even though they were outside, so it's like, why are you outside, news people?
the news people have
But
no fear of death, Cappy.
they don't. So they were like showing how the streets were getting flooded or whatever.
Yeah,
And then they turn and they see a guy without a shirt on
yeah,
and wearing shorts with a horse head on, like running through the street.
yeah,
And they're like, the news person just starts laughing. It's
yeah,
cute. And then the horse guy noticed them, and then he turned to them, and then he put his arms up, like cheering, and then he ran away.
yeah.
So he was just doing that just cause he wasn't doing it because he expected the news to be there. So I love that for him.
That that is kind of funny. No, Cappy, I'm going crazy. Cappy, what is status
Daisy.
plural? Is it statuses?
Yeah.
Okay.
Status high.
Status I. That does not sound right. Status is. There we go. So I gotta fix a lot of my spelling for everything else. Yo,
This might sound
CG9E, are
cheesy,
you a
but your
programmer?
stickers changed my life. I am now more motivated. I'm going to start a cafe to study. I'm going to a cafe to study for my uni exams. Good for you. Please take my handmade stickers, the love wins, and of course, relax. Why don't you just relax? How about a memories too? I'll throw one in for free. Adelina Baker. Aiden the Steward. Wholesome. Watching.
Interesting.
Is this it? Yeah, it is.
This is
All right,
really
Aiden
interesting,
Stewart.
Cappy.
Thank you. Jameson Jones.
So I gotta reformat this, definitely. I gotta definitely reformat this.
I wish you could bring back stickers you threw out. I was gonna say, where is your shade? Been a while. I didn't see it.
Here we go.
What do you want? I can give you a keychain. I can give you a notebook. I can give you some
Mesh
earrings
effect
or
status
a hairpin
to
or a shiny marker. A shiny
status lib.
marker could be cute.
Status lib.
Oh, yeah, you should definitely take some candy corn.
Poison.
I didn't realize I had 50 candy corn. Do you want all of them? I wish you could just click and then they'd be on your thing, but that's not how it could.
I don't need to do this right now.
I'm putting 50 candy corn in Shade's package. That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, this shouldn't be this should be effect. There we go. That could have been really bad.
Could have been. Should have been. Would have been.
Thunk poison. There we go. Okay.
The candy corns are really raking up the.
What are you gonna ask? I have not played Undertale actually. My little brother has, but I haven't.
That took way too long. Enjoy your 50 candy corns, Shade.
50 candy corns. Probably. It's just I don't have the time commitment, to be honest. I play games like really casually. I play games like really casually.
Right.
Cappy, I swear if you cite my like game hours on Steam.
I will. I will out you. All right, Mary Price. Oh my god, I had so many orders that I barely have anything time to do anything today. All right, I think I'm gonna end stream though.
Okay.
So I will raid you.
Got
Isn't that
it.
cool?
Wow. Card. Unexpected index block after the 4 block. Oh, okay. So 355, 335 in cards. Okay. Are you EP Cappy?
A little bit.
That's fair. For status in statuses.
We got so much money though.
Status dot call status.
How do I leave the game?
Status. Right, that works.
I don't have any packages at the moment. Okay. Yes. Okay, friends and fiends. We shall see each other again.
Will we?
Not you.
Oh.
Hope I never see you again.
Now I die. I die. Why is this not working? Are we having import problems?
Maybe.
No. I have not played Tears of the Kingdom. I have not played Tears of the Kingdom. My friend Q, Inari Q though, right? Plays a lot of Tears of the Kingdom actually, right? And you know, she's doing a challenge run right now actually for Tears of the Kingdom, which is pretty cool. I've been watching a little bit of that.
So long, friends.
Goodbye.
Don't ever forget me. Don't ever forgive me.
For what? I shouldn't have ruined anything too bad. Oh, it's because kill isn't there anymore. Okay, I need to find where all the kill statements are.
Why are there bombs?
We need to contain your kind, Cappy.
I can't be contained.
No, you will be contained.
I shan't be contained.
Okay, we're gonna find all examples of combat dot kill target. Alright, and we're gonna swap it out for target dot kill. Replace. Replace all.
Okay,
Discard
I'm
local changes
leaving.
and reload.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, I'm gonna save this, right? And I'm gonna refresh. Coconut doggy, wow. Hello. Gabby still has VTube Studio open, by the way. Gabby still has VTube Studio open, by the way, guys. Oh, she's gone. We're gonna see if this parse error. Oh. Okay. So we definitely have a few bugs here. Okay, a lot of. Hey, do I know you, JK? Do I know you? I don't recognize the name, you know? I don't recognize the name. There we go. So a lot of the problems are here. Oh, I was just asking because normally I like to remember viewers, but like I don't recognize the name you're using. So here we go. Wait, well, why is there no errors in card? There we go. Uh, I don't recognize the name. Huh? Okay. Status dot call status. There we go. That should fix that problem right there. Do 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 do. Where is it? Oh, okay. Everything's stable now. Everything's stable now. Nice. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, we got the status, the first status effect going. In theory, this should mostly work. It's just like call status. Yeah, I'm live on 2 other platforms. I have another platform. I'm mainly on Twitch. Wait, let me check something real quick. Here we go. I'm gonna just go. Yeah. I'm gonna just what is it? Timeout. Wait, no, not timeout, but hmm. Timeout. There we go. Yeah. There we go. I have no idea who that guy is, guys. Oh, there was a weird guy in the YouTube chat, and I was like, I don't know who he is, and he, yeah. So I wanted to kind of check that it wasn't you, you know. So yeah, I'll send you a screenshot. I'll send you a screenshot. Oh, there we go. You guys can see that on screen. Yeah, I didn't feel super comfortable there. Here we go. There we go. Oh yeah, check your DMs. Check your DMs. I sent it to you. Okay. Call status. Funk. Um, what is it? Mm, status tick. Tick. And then that's just gonna call the thing, you know? For status in status. Oh no, check your DMs. Check your DMs on Discord. Check your DMs on Discord. Yeah. I was like, that's a bit weird, so that's why I wanted to check. Cause like, yeah, I was like that's kind of weird. So we kind of yeah. Here we go. Okay, so for each status and status effect, I just kind of want to call status 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 effects. There we go. That's about it. Yeah. Oh no, that was it. It was just really weird. It was just really, really, really weird. So I was like, yeah. That's why I wanted to check on your room. Okay, status effect erase. Yeah, that should be fine. That should be fine. There we go. Okay, now we need to go funk, clear, cleanse. I think cleanse is what it's called. How do I spell that? Cleanse. I think I spelled it right. CL clean SE. Clean SE. Yeah. Sometimes you're never sure about the spelling of something either. Sometimes you're never sure about the spelling of something either. Card, and it's gonna be type card. There we go. So then we're gonna pretty much go. How do I cleanse all, and then we're gonna make like a single cleanse, Funk cleanse. card. Card. Okay, there we go. Nice. Here we go. Oh, hey, welcome to the stream, Loki Trickster. Yeah, I've been trying my best not to have like horrible spelling mistakes because I'll inevitably have to call the function like 50 times and take like a year to like, fix like the spelling later, Currently I'm coding like the status effect symbol of my game or status effect system of my game, right? And once that's done, then I can get to like actually creating interesting cards and stuff like that. Um but yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. That's kind of what's going on right now. Um the most complex thing I think, right? It's got to be like the buffs and debuffs skills, right? Cuz those take like a decent amount cuz there are two parters, right? On part A, right? They what is it called? On part A, right? They have to remove they have to like put on a status effect, right? And they have to tick down, right? And then once tick is over, then while they're deleting themselves, then they need to like undo the status effect, right? So that's where I'm probably gonna get into like the most trouble. Right now, I'm just trying to put in basic functions for like cleansing status effects, cleansing all the status effects, right, and whatever else. Because the status effects come in two systems, right? They come in like the tick system, which happens every tick. They come in the apply system. They come in the what is it called? They come in like the on turn system, and that's about it, right? Unless there's like other conditions, right? But for those, I would probably use like the tag system I've already added, right? So currently, that's what I'm trying to figure out. That's what I'm currently trying to figure out. I'm guessing you're a programmer too, Loki. I'm guessing you're also a programmer as well. Probably a bit further down the line than I am, cause like I'm like week 2 into programming this thing. I'm like straight up week 2 into programming this thing. So I'm like really, really, really early on. So yeah. Here we go. Okay. Okay. So we got cleanse all. We got cleanse. Oh, okay. That's a long time. What kind of game are you making? What kind of game are you making, dude? Um, I'm just making a simple card game. I am currently just making a simple card game. I'll show you what I have so far. I'll show you what I have so far, alright? So currently I have draw cards, right? And this slot system you can have a different amount of max cards. I have spawning enemies, right? Or like they can auto spawn too, or you can click on it. I can place characters into slots, right? They do not overlap with each other, which is really nice. Um, they have their own move tables and everything, right? Individually. And the thing I'm most proud of so far, right, is I've been trying my best to make sure that I have like a neat system for everything. Because I have like the registry of all cards for when I need to do card draws. I have a card engine for when I need to do like inter-card things, right? I have the card class, right? For when I need to do like like general class processes that may need to be overridden, right? And the cards themselves inherit off of this, right? I have like templates, I have the combat engine and a bunch of other stuff. But yeah, I've been like slowly moving through like my programming stuff. But what have you gotten so far? Or like how far down game dev are you doing so far? I've been trying so hard to like keep everything safe or like not safe, but like clean looking. Because there's so much in each one of these cards. There's so much in each one of these cards right here. Okay. Okay, there we go. There, okay, for each if card dot is valid, a text-based RPG. Wait. Do I know you from the Digitama Hatchery? Do I know you from the Digitama Hatchery? Cause like, I know a bunch of stuff of people from like the Digimon VPet Discord, you know? Hey CG, hey CG90, welcome back to chat. How are you doing today? I have Tamagotchi Digimon. I have side-scrolling shooter. That's fun. I made a short okay platform. Oh, you make games for your kids? That's cool. That's cool. Um, Sliders inspired game in the vein of. I haven't played those. Are you doing better now? Okay is better than meh, right? Okay is better than meh. Ah, fair. I used to be pretty active, but then I kind of fell down a cliff after like the vital bracelet stopped being as popular, you know? Ah, you're still meh. I'm guessing you're hard at work right now, CG. I'm guessing you're like hard at work right now. Here we go. Yeah, I don't talk to it that much either. If card dot is or is valid instance valid is instance valid card, then after that, you know, then card dot status. Okay, so for each of the card statuses, right? Let me go back over here and see what I need to do for each one of those. Okay, so I need to queue free each one of the statuses, right? Okay, I need to queue free each one of the statuses, and then I need to clear the statuses. Okay. Yeah, it was fun. I definitely think it's fun, and I think like the vital bracelet theme did not have any permission to go that hard, you know, because like they went hard with that opening theme, you know. They went like absolutely hard with that opening theme. Yeah. I was really confused on like why they put so much effort into that, you know? Okay. Here we go. Status engine, card statuses. For status in card statuses, q dot free. There we go. Status dot q free. There we go. And then, right, we're gonna do card dot status is clear. All right. And then after that, all right, we're gonna follow that up with clearing all the statuses that point to that, all right? And then for status in status effects, right? If status dot card is equal to card, There we go. Then status, then, um... yeah, I think it could have been amazing if they put in more budget. It's just a big problem in my opinion, right? I think it's a big problem that Bandai just doesn't put enough into you know, the Digimon franchise in general, you know, because like the biggest thing we've gotten is like, you know, remakes of like the classic toys. We've gotten like the Vital Bracelet, of course, right, and a bunch of other stuff like that, but like we haven't gotten like a big game in a while, right? Like Cyber Sleuth is the latest big game in my opinion. Like Survive exists, but like I don't feel like it's as high budget, you know. In general, it seems like Bandai is unwilling to risk it for the Digimon franchise, even though there's like there is an audience for it, right? I think they just don't see that it can compete with Pokemon anymore, you know. So it's like, yeah. Status. There we go. Okay, so that should cleanse all the status effects, alright? And pretty much we're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna do the same thing over here. Cyber Sleuth was an absolute banger. Have you tried Cyber Sleuth? What is it called? Cyber Sleuth. Hacker's Memory. Hacker's Memory was really good too. But yeah, no. I think they went crazy hard on Cyber Sleuth. It's just, you know, there's not enough brand recognition out there, right? It just kind of fell down to the wayside, and I feel like really sad about that. I feel really sad that like Cyber Sleuth wasn't something bigger, you know. I haven't played World Next Order. I've only played Cyber Sleuth, Survive. Those are the two games I've played so far, you know. Here we go. Is there a break function? Okay, there is a break function. Okay, so variable cleared equals false, right? So this is gonna track to see if we've cleared a status effect yet. That should work. Okay, so it breaks out of that loop here, so it goes back over here. And then if cleared, not cleared. There we go. And then we just indent all this. This should in theory work. There we go. And cleanse here should only clear out one status effect right here. I need to enforce strict typing here. Okay. So Loki, this is one thing I've been wondering about in Godot for a while, right? Are you a strictly coded kind of person, or are you like a loosely typed kind of person? Because I've been enjoying the strict typing a little bit more now, you know. Okay, and there we go. And then the combat engine, I can call tick, alright? I can call tick on the next turn thing here. status dot tick. Okay, there we go. And now within each one of the cards, right? Within each one of the cards, what we're gonna do now, right, is whenever they go for their move, their action, right? We're gonna also tick them once as well. Oh yeah, okay. They call status. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's a new action function right there. I'm gonna just copy and paste this over to my template. Alright. I'm gonna copy and paste this over to my template. Here we go. Actually, there's no reason. Okay, they all inherit. That's good. They all inherit from that, which is really good. That's less work for me then. So these guys also call all the statuses there as well. Okay. So the status effects system should more or less be fine, right? In theory this works. In theory this works. And I think that's good, but we gotta test it, right? We gotta test it. Here we go. How do I? Oh shoot! No, we haven't finished this. We haven't finished this. Okay, because you know this goes through all the status effects, right? But we haven't had the thing which applies the status effect yet. We haven't made anything which applies the status effects to any card just yet. All right. Funk apply. There we go. Now, right, what we can do, right, is we can pretty much go through like the checklist of things underneath status effect, right? So effect has its activation, right? So that's like if we apply it to the card, or if we apply it to you know, per turn, right? Or whatever other condition, all right? Okay, so here we go. Match effect dot activation. There we go. So we're gonna match the effect of the activation to what is it? On place. Wait, 1 second. We gotta have infinite status effects too for the system, right? Like things that can only be cleansed. We'll have to add that later. Okay. What do we want to call these? So there's like on place, right? On place. Instant? Okay, instant. Then we want on turn. Then we want every turn. Or tick. There we go. Okay, so whichever one of these in the activation is gonna determine where we're gonna jump to, you know? I could probably add more conditions later. But for instant, right? For instant, I'm gonna just apply it to. We don't need to instant effects. We don't need to you know, make it take a long time, right? For the card, right? So I'm gonna just put it as in like effect dot card dot statuses dot append effect. There we go. So that should just add it to the table right there. And then I could call it there, but I'm not sure if I want instants to be one-time things, you know? For example, like one-time debuffs until we get like a character who can cleanse, right? So that's something I'll have to think about. On turn, you know, pretty much just this. There we go. Okay. We might need a different table for perma statuses, you know? We might need a table for perma statuses, you know? Let me just go back to cards.gd right here. Okay. I'll have to think more about how this system works. I think I've reached the limit of what I can. No. Okay, so we have the perma statuses, which only affect once, right? Do we need a condition to clear out statuses? Because we need something which reverses the status, alright? Okay, so that means for each one of these, right? For each status lip, right? I need to do func clear poison, right? For clear poison, we literally just get rid of the poison and that's it. There's no reversing it, alright? But if there's like a stat change, right, then we do that, alright? Okay. Instant, we put in the effect, right? And then we activate the effect. Call status instant. Okay, there we go. And then we'll probably need a function which goes through these to clear them as well. Unless we also put the clear function within each one of these statuses as well. Okay, so there's two designs we can do, right? There's two designs we can do, right? We can have it so that we have like the class, right? Or like the library, right? I can't draw on this. Okay, so we have the library which has like, you know, status, right? And then like the clear status, right? Oh shoot, I cannot draw on mouse. Okay, so we either have the library have both of these, right? Or we can have it so that no, we from our current framework we need to have it like this, right? Because otherwise we have each status with its clear condition, right? Within the thing. And that's just really messy to code. Unless... Huh. Unless I make a class for each one of these, right? If we have like a certain amount of poison types, right? Or like, you know, status types, right? But I kind of want to just keep it to the library strategy for now, right? Just because that gives us like a lot more leeway as far as like what we can do, right? Or we could make it the call function a two-parter, right? We could make the call function a two-parter and have all of them like within like the same if statement. Because currently, right? Currently we have it here, right? Call status. If we have it like clear, right? Clear, and then it's like true, right? Then you know, then we could do poison, and then like the secondary condition there. This is confusing. This is very, very confusing. Okay. How do we want to do this, guys? Because we want to call it instant, right? But it won't cycle on its own, right? But then eventually we have to clear the instant effect, right? Which is like reverse it, right? I could put in the cleanse function here, right? Okay, this is interesting. Cause I always gotta have a giant match statement here, right? Huh. Do I want to move match status, like this match case right here, to my library? I think that would make sense. I think having that, right, because this is kind of working like a dictionary, right, would go to other thing. There we go. So we call that right there. And then we just kind of fix the indents here. Because this table is going to get really long after a while, right? This table here is going to get really, really, really long after a while. Okay, so it was a name problem. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a similar thing for clear, right? There we go. I feel like this is a really inefficient way of doing things. I think, honestly, I think this might be a good place to, like, you know, call it for today, right? And I'll come back to this once I have a better idea of how I want to implement this. Because, like, I'm not sure if I should get a type dictionary or whatever else, right? Because there's like 3 or 4 ways I can implement this, right? It's just we have to figure out, like, what is like the cleanest way to implement it with, like, as hopefully as little overhead as possible, you know? Because we do need to worry about, like, how much overhead we're adding into this kind of thing. I'm completely tone deaf. I'm so sorry for making you guys hear that, guys. I am so sorry for that. Oh, Skibby's live. Here we go. If you enjoyed the stream, here's the Discord, you know. Feel free to hop in and say hi sometimes. But if not, you know, I will probably be streaming again soon. But yeah, we gotta kind of figure... Did he just finish stream? No, he didn't. He's still here. Okay, goodbye, everyone. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Okay, goodbye, everyone.
Welcome. Hello.